Hey guys, welcome back to another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you change your apps to country or region with your credit balance. So guys, if you have a credit balance in your app store account and you want to change your country or region, so how can you do it? So we can do it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may go back and open your app store, and guys, you may click here on your profile icon, and here you may see that here is the option of add money to your account. So you may click here and you may just wait for some second. So this interface will be open. Here you may see your balance. So if you have balance 0.00, then guys you can change your country or region easily. So if you have not balance 0, then guys you may purchase any app or subscription and you can spend your balance, and then guys you can cancel or you may remove that subscription, and then you can change your country or region. The second method is guys, if your balance is in friction, then guys you may go back and you may open any browser, and in search bar you may write here sport.apple.com, and you may select your gadget from here. Then you may scroll down and you may click here on get sport, and you may contact to Apple Sport team, or if you have sport app or Apple Sport app, so you may click here on that app. So you may check. So here you may click here on your iPhone, and you may click here on subscription and purchases, and guys here is the option of view, change or cancel subscription. So you may click here and you may just wait for some second guys. You may scroll it down, here the option of call, so you may click here and you may contact to Apple support team from here. So these numbers will be shown. These numbers are different according to your country or region, and guys in some countries chat option is also available, so you may also contact to Apple support team through chat, and guys tell them your problem and they will remove your balance. And then guys you may go back and open your settings again, and then you may click here on your Apple account, then click here on media and purchases, and guys you may change your country or region from here easily. So let's check guys, click here and click here on view account. So here is the option of country region, so you may click here and change your country region easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.